Yeah, I think. It's a workmanship, isn't it? You know.
It is, yeah.
Oh, 40s.
Yeah, we don't mind.
Was that the... Oh, what should we do? Should I sort of kind of hold it, or...?
No, it's just ignore me.
Ignore me, yeah,
Yeah.
ignore me. Yeah. Right, we'll put this back in. What do you think, Mike? Speaker up, or... Lovely. Yeah, fuse. Come out. Get it out. Come on. Look down.
I think I hear a bit of hum there.
Right, well, here we are.
One of those four.
Oh, right, yes. We have music.
I'm on 3 triple 4 1.
That's it.
Not lively enough.
And listen, it's
No one's
I don't think the bends very well. Looking from the side, you can see that coily thing is right up against it. Yeah. And
definitely had one on.
yeah. I can't remember mine having
Doesn't
it.
matter, let it come off from
It'll
one.
come off.
We'll either leave it wired and screw it on the front panel
Or
or
whatever, or just discard it.
do away with it.
Put the service. Have you've got the
It
service?
shows it on the circuit, actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Some, what was it? There's a dress. Didn't have a horse, so you rode his daughter, Michael. It was only, but it wasn't a real name, you know. It was Spot. Go for it, girl. You know, we're up to the winning post.
Oh dear.
Remember that stupid thing came from? We do your smoke only at the edges, and oh right. Do you ever get any surveys coming on the phone now? Health, lifestyles. And
Well, lucky we don't get them. Registered the phone with a company that's supposed to stop it all coming through.
Yeah, well,
It took about a year or so, and he did stop them.
one right. That seems to have.
Brightness, contrast, brightness.
Yeah, I don't know. No, that would be the brightness.
Yeah,
Yeah, got a bit of brightness.
That's pretty
there,
good.
anything
That's good.
like that.
Yeah.
That's your contrast. That one will be. No, you've got contrast, brightness. Now you've got line hold and frame hold. I don't know what that does. I don't know. That's. Yeah, that's your line frequency.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's your. Goodness knows what. That must be a frame control. That
One of them is width.
Yeah.
The other one's height, and then what else have we got in there?
What have you got in here? You've got brightness.
There's focus in there as well.
Focus is one of them. I
Uh-huh.
know that.
Yeah.
It varies the brightness.
Yeah.
That's correct. That's correct. That's
Okay.
good. I think it probably went.
Oh, yeah. So we've got a wee fault with the framing.
Damping elements here are not working. The frame form control. Yeah. So you've got that. You have some strangeness here in the frame. so it doesn't really. But I think the line's running at too low a frequency.
Yeah, yeah.
So we show a signal up and see what it does.
Aye, if it'll do something.
Well, we've not actually. Have we got? Oh yes, we have an aerial connection here.
Aye.
Yes, it's way down here.
I don't think it's this.
Where is it? It's got a big end on it.
It's got a big end and maybe not very
There's something
convenient
here.
for you.
Well, that's the brightness, isn't it? So that's the
Drop it
contrast.
onto a standard
Have
thing.
you got a long cable? Have you?
That's the
Thingy
sensitivity.
over
We've
there.
agreed upon that. That's your frame frequency. And this is this line which, assuming that's the line hold, that's just totally bargain mad.
Yes.
Oh, I think
Now we'll need.
running too low frequency.
You need a crop clip to
Actually,
phono or something.
a scope on, I could measure it with a scope. It should be 100 microseconds.
Yeah. It's got to be iron burn.
You got iron burn, that's good.
Normal.
Normal.
Mhm.
I've sorry, you've got the wrong line, you've got the wrong frame transformer, but
Yeah.
anyway, it's a start.